Let's get started with installing MongoDB locally on your computer. This presentation will guide you through the process of setting up MongoDB on your machine, so you can start using it for your development projects. So, what exactly is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database. Instead of storing data in traditional rows and columns like in relational databases, MongoDB stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. Some of the key features of MongoDB include its document-based storage, high-performance capabilities, horizontal scalability, and schema flexibility. These features make MongoDB a great choice for modern applications that require flexibility and scalability. Before we proceed with the installation, let's take a look at the system requirements for running MongoDB. If you are on Windows, you will need Windows 10, Windows 11 or Server 2016 or later. For Mac operating system users, you will need Mac operating system 10.14, Mojave or later. And for Linux users, Ubuntu 18.04 Plus or CentOS 7 Plus is required. Regardless of your operating system, you will need a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and 2 GB of free disk space. Make sure your system meets these requirements before continuing with the installation. Now let's download MongoDB. First, visit the MongoDB Download Center. Then select Community Server. Choose your operating system and download the installer. Let's walk through the installation process. First, run the downloaded installer, accept the license agreement, choose the installation directory, select Install MongoDB as a service, and finally, complete the installation. Once MongoDB is installed, you need to start the MongoDB service. MongoDB runs as a background service, and it can be controlled via the command line. By default, MongoDB uses port number 27017. To start the MongoDB service, open your command prompt or terminal and type net start MongoDB. You can also check the MongoDB version by running the command mongod version. Now that MongoDB is installed and running, let's test the installation to make sure everything is working correctly. First, open your command prompt or terminal. Then connect to MongoDB using the Mongo shell. Run some basic database commands and verify that the connection is successful. Congratulations on successfully installing MongoDB. So what are the next steps? You can start by learning MongoDB basics, connect to MongoDB from Node.js, install MongoDB Compass, and create your first database. MongoDB is now ready for development. You are now ready to build amazing applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.